and today I'm going to be making another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys harder skills in gymnastics and harder skills in karate. First we're going to start with gymnastics. Karate. So if you want, you can also do a gymnastics and karate combo. So remember, if you've been practicing the others, you might be pretty good at these. First, we're going to learn about a round off. It's basically a cartwheel with feet together in the air and stick your feet at the same time. Let me show you an example. So, you can also do a lot more stuff with that one. You can do like a random back handspring. So we're going to just do gymnastics and then karate one by one. So I'm going to show you a karate. So I'm going to teach you this time a spinning kick. So all you have to do is jump and do a spin and then kick when you're finished. Yeah, you can use a pillow if you want. We're just practicing kicking. If you have a pillow, that might be better. Like a softer one and a lighter. Just practice your kicking on there. But that's why we're doing a spinning kick. Now, I'm going to show you guys one gymnastics combo with a ninja move. So this one is just a round off with the spinning kick. Let me show you an example. To stick the landing of the round off, you can just bend your knees and do this. And this one, the spinning one's kind of hard because the feet controls kind of do it a lot. But here's the next gymnastics move. I'm going to fold up the mat because this one. So this one is called a front handspring. I recommend you guys buy a mat for this one because you do it on wooden floor on carpet. You might land on your head. So I'm not actually going to do it. I'm just going to show you guys in slow motion how you do it. So it's doing a handstand and then do a bridge kick over. And you can put your hands on here. So do a handstand on the mat. And then this is how I recommend you doing a running skip. And when you go into the bridge, it should look like this. And then go up. Now I'm going to show you another karate move. It's going to be a combo. So let me unfold the mat. So this one's a combo. You can use it if you want. It's kind of hard to do it though. So, yeah. I'm just going to leave it like this because it's a bigger spot. It's big enough. So, I'm going to do a karate combo for you. So that's going to be all for the video. See you guys next time. Bye!